Hello, welcome to the class. Today, now addition and subtraction of fractions. So first adding an integer to a fraction. Example 2 plus 3 by 4. Write the integer in the form of a fraction. Just by dividing the integer by number 1, it will become a fraction and the value of integer remains same. So 2 can be written as 2 by 1. Now 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. These two are unlike fractions and go cross multiplication method. In this method, first we have to multiply the first fraction's numerator with the second fraction's denominator, that is 2 into 4. Then multiply the second fraction's numerator with the first fraction's denominator, that is 3 into 1. Then both the resulted numbers keep the total as numerator. 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1 becomes 8 plus 3, that is equal to 11. And now the denominator part, multiplication of both the denominators 1 into 4, that becomes 4, that is equal to 11 by 4. Adding like fractions, 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Denominator is same, so these are like fractions. In this case, just add both the numerators and place the denominator as it is, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 and 3 by 5. Now adding a mixed fraction with the proper fraction. Example 2 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. First convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 2 1 by 3 can be written as 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3. That is 6 plus 1 by 3, that is equal to 7 by 3. Now 7 by 3 plus 2 by 5, now these cross multiplication method. So 7 into 5 plus 2 into 3, that is equal to 35 plus 6 by 5 into 3, that is 41 by 15. And follow the same methods for subtracting the fractions. Now problems, exercise 1. 2 plus 3 by 4. 2 is an integer. To convert integer into fraction, 2 by 1 plus 3 by 4. That will become 11 by 4. 11 by is an improper fraction. Convert it into mixed number. Divide 11 by 4. 2 3 by 4 is a mixed number. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Both are unlike fractions. Use cross multiplication method. 1 minus 4 by 7. 1 is an integer. Make it a fraction 1 by 1. And after that, cross multiplication method. And the answer is 3 by 7. Now, mixed number plus a proper fraction. 2 2 by 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 2 by 3 convert into improper fraction. That will become 8 by 3. Now 8 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Both are unlike fractions. Use cross multiplication method. 5 by 8 minus 1 by 6. Both are unlike fractions. Use cross multiplication method. And here 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. Both are mixed numbers. Convert them into improper fractions and then use cross multiplication method. Arrange the following in ascending order. 5 by 8, 5 by 6, 1 by 2. Find out the least common multiple of denominators. So 24 is the least common multiple of 3 numbers. Now change all the denominators into 24. So now 15 by 24, 20 by 24, 12 by 24. Now these are like fractions. Ascending order. Just by seeing the numerators, we can know which number is less. So ascending order means least number to higher number. The 12 by 24 is less than 15 by 24 and it is less than 20 by 24. So now 1 by 2 is less than 5 by 8, less than 5 by 6. The same type problem. Here we have to find out the sum of all the rows, columns separately. So all are like fractions. So 6 by 13 plus 13 by 13 plus 2 by 13. So just add numerators, that will become 21 by 13. So all the sums of all the rows are 21 by 13. Now sum of all columns separately is 21 by 13. Even the sum of the diagonals also 21 by 13. So all the sum of the numbers in each row and each column and along the diagonals is same. Now length of a rectangle is equal to 5 2 by 3 centimeters and width is 3 1 by 5 centimeters. Both are mixed fractions. So length will become 17 by 3, it's an improper fraction. Width is equal to 16 by 5, it's also improper fraction. So perimeter, we know that 2 into 2 lengths and 2 widths. So that is add first 17 by 3 plus 16 by 5. Use cross multiplication method, that will become 2 into 133 by 15, that will become 266 by 15. Now it's a improper fraction. Convert into mixed fraction. Divide 266 by 15. So that will become 1711 by 15. So perimeter is equal to 1711 by 15 centimeter. The receipt requires 3 1 by 4 cups of flour. Radha has 1 3 by 8 cups of flour. How many more cups does she need? So cups required is equal to 3 1 by 4. It's a mixed number. Convert into improper fraction. That is 13 by 4. Now cups Radha has 1 3 by 8. Again it's a mixed number. Convert into improper fraction. That is 11 by 8. Now cups she need is equal to 13 by 4 minus 11 by 8. So use cross multiplication method. Overall 60 by 32 it become, and after simplification it becomes 15 by 8 is the improper fraction, then convert into mixed number. Divide 15 by 8. So now cup she need is equal to 1 7 by 8. Abdul is preparing for his final exam. He has completed 512 part of course content. Find out how much course content is left. So now the course content is 1. A course completed is 5 by 12. Course content left is 1 minus 5 by 12. So 1 is an integer and divide by 1 and it will become 1 by 1 fraction. So now use cross multiplication method. That will become 7 by 12. So course content left is equal to 7 by 12. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Length AB is equal to 3 1 by 3. It's a mixed number. Is equal to 10 by 3. Improper fraction. Length BE is equal to 2 1 by 5 is equal to 11 by 5. Length AE is equal to 4 2 by 3, that is equal to 14 by 3 centimeters. Perimeter of a triangle ABE is equal to AB plus BE plus AE. That is equal to 10 by 3 plus 11 by 5 plus 14 by 3. Now using a LCM method, so we have to find out the least common multiple of 3, 5, 3. So now the LCM is equal to 15. Make all the denominators as 15. So the fractions become 50 by 15 plus 33 by 15 plus 70 by 15. Now it becomes 153 by 15. Both are multiples of 3. So it becomes 51 by 5. That is equal to 10 1 by 5 centimeters. Perimeter of a rectangle BCDE. Length BC is equal to 1 2 by 3 centimeters. That is equal to 5 by 3 centimeters. Length CD is equal to 2 1 by centimeters. That is equal to 11 by 5 centimeters. DE is equal to 1 2 by 3, that is equal to 5 by 3. BE is equal to 2 1 by 5, that is equal to 11 by 5. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to BC plus CD plus DE plus BE. So 5 by 3 plus 11 by 5 plus 5 by 3 plus 11 by 5. That is equal to 2 into 58 by 15, that is 116 by 15. So now 7 11 by 15. Now which area is more, like now find out which fraction is more, we have to find out that. Make like fractions. So 116 by 15, and now make 51 by 5 is equal to 153 by 15. Both are like fractions now, and by observing 153 by 15 is more than 116 by 15. So subtract 116 by 15 from 153 by 15, that is equal to 37 by 15. After converting it, it will become 27 by 15. So perimeter of triangle is more by 27 by 15 centimeters.